Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to invite your friends and form a team in the Candy Box event in Crow Garden Roblox. So in this Easter update, there's a special event where you need to collect as many candy plants as possible to reach the required points like this. And the more and bigger candy plants you collect, the faster you complete the points. And now you can do this event by solo, but it's actually much easier and faster if you play with a team. So here's how to invite your friends. First just go to the candy box event area, this area. And then after that just look at the empty slots next to your candy box, this one. And then next just tap on invite friends. And then in here just search for your friend's name and select them, for example like this. And then next just tap on invite to server, and then next just tap on invite like this. And once you send the invite, all you have to do is wait for them to accept it. And when your friends joins, your team is ready, and now you can work together to collect candy plants and complete the event much faster. And the best part is you will also get team rewards over here. This one, you will get it team rewards on here. And so make sure to invite your friends and don't miss out on those rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.